how to export data from Airtable to Excel. What you're gonna have to do is go ahead here into your data, of course, and go ahead to the group that you want to save your data from. So you have activities, reminders, but just go ahead and choose which section you want, and you're gonna have to navigate yourself over here to the grid view. So press on that drop down arrow. Once you do that, you will see the download CSV option. So it's pretty much gonna line these up as separated count files, but it should be pretty similar to an Excel file, and you should be able to open it in Excel as well. So just go ahead and press on download CSV for this section. You can put in mind that you can also add some filters, and it should differentiate what your data will look like. So go ahead and press on add condition, and that's pretty much up to you at that point. But again, download CSV, you can go ahead and toggle that if you want, but press on OK. So it's gonna prepare the CSV for download, but once you do that, it's pretty much just gonna finish downloading. So just open the file, the latest file that you downloaded, of course, and just open it with Excel. But that's pretty much how you export data from Airtable to your Excel. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.